My dear viewers, now discuss chemistry ICSE based on class 9 annual exam 2026 part 1. Now, balance chemical equation number 1, ApCl2 plus NaOH form NaCl plus ApOH whole 2. That is the all side, left side and right side, all element, number of elements same. Okay, that is the balance. Okay, next question number 2, that is the part 2. Ca plus N2, that is Ca3N2, that is the balance equation. 3Ca plus N2 form Ca3N2. Next, Zn plus KOH, K2 ZnO2 plus H2, that is the balanced chemical equation. Zn2KOH form K2ZnO2 plus H2. Next, Fe2O3 plus CO form Fe plus CO2, that is the balanced chemical equation. Fe2O3 plus 3CO form 2Fe plus 3CO2. Okay, next, Pb plus NH3 form Pb plus H2O plus N2, that is the chemical balance equation. 3PbO plus 2NH3 form 3Pb plus 3H2O plus N2. Next, question 6, H2 plus Cl2 form HCl, that is the chemical balance equation. H2 plus Cl2 form 2HCl. Next, question number 7, N2 plus H2 form NH3, that is the chemical balance equation. N2 plus 3H2 form 2NH3. Next, C2H2 form C plus H2, that is the chemical balance equation. C2H2 form 2C plus H2. Next, NaCl plus AgNO3 form AgCl plus NaNO3, that is the balanced chemical equation. NaCl plus AgNO3 form AgCl plus NaNO3. There is the last part for this. PbNO3 plus Ki form KNO3 plus PbI2, that is a balanced chemical equation. PbNO3 plus 2Ki form 2KNO3 plus PbI2. Next question item, what is the reactivity series? Which element is the most reactive element in the reactivity series? Okay, now the reactivity series in an empirical ranked list of metals arranged in decreasing order of their chemical reactivity, most reactive to least reactive. That is the most reactive element, potassium. Okay, next question, what is meant by atomicity? Name the monoatomic element. Atomicity refers to the total number of atoms present in a single molecule of an element or compound. That is the monoatomic element, Hg, that is helium. Next question, define the neutralization reaction with example. A neutralization reaction, a chemical process where an acid and base react in stoichiometric amount to produce salt and water. Usually the pH is closer than, resulting in pH closer to 7. Okay, example, that is the sodium hydroxide and HCl hydrochloric acid form salt NaCl and water H2O. Okay, next part, that is the next question. What is endothermic reaction? Give the example. Okay, endothermic reaction is the chemical or physical process that absorbs energy, usually in form of heat, from its surrounding, causing the immediate environment to cool down. Okay, for example, photosynthesis in plant. Okay, and limestone breakdown, that is the decomposition part of calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Also, the next part, that is the exothermic reaction. Give the example. The exothermic reaction is a chemical reaction that releases the energy, opposite of endothermic reaction. Okay, usually in the form of heat into the environment. Okay, that is the surrounding. This means the product of the reaction have less energy than the reactant, and the excess energy is released as heat. Okay, for example, methane react with oxygen from carbon dioxide, water and heat. This is the endothermic reaction. Okay, respiration, it is the endothermic reaction occurring in living organism. Okay, okay, next question. What is the photochemical reaction? At presence of light, the chemical reaction that take place only when light energy is absorbed by the reactant molecules are called photochemical reaction. Photosynthesis is the one type of photochemical reaction. Show the equation. Okay, 6CO2 plus 6H2O at the presence of light and chlorophyll form glucose C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Next question. Give an example of a reaction where the following involve: heat, light, pressure, catalyst, electricity. At first, involve the heat. Calcium carbonate, that is limestone, decompose from calcium oxide solid and carbon dioxide. Okay, it is involve heat. Okay, next part, that is light, involve the chemical equation, that is photosynthesis. Okay, it presence of light. Okay, next part, pressure. By Haber process, formation of ammonia, nitrogen react with hydrogen at presence of the above 200 atmospheric pressure form ammonia to NH3. Okay. Next part, catalyst. Catalyst means reaction rate, change of reaction rate. Okay, that is the hydrogen peroxide H2O2 change, that is water and oxygen, at the presence of catalyst manganese dioxide MnO2. Okay, electricity. Electricity involves the chemical reaction. At the presence of electricity, water form hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Okay, next part, select the basic and acid radical in the following compound. That is now basic radical positively charged ion and acid radical negative charge ion. Now the example, magnesium sulfate, the basic radical Mg2 plus. Okay, and acid radical sulfate ion, that is SO4 2 minus. Second example, SnCl2, that is tin chloride, that is the basic radical Sn2 plus and acid radical Cl minus, that is chloride ion. Next, aluminum sulfate, that is the basic radical Al3 plus and acid radical SO4, that is sulfate ion. Fourth part, that is zinc carbonate, that is basic radical Zn2 plus zinc ion and acid radical CO3 2 minus carbonate ion. Next, the calcium carbonate basic radical Ca2 plus calcium ion and the acid radical CO3 2 minus, that is the carbonate ion. Next, zinc sulfate, not zinc phosphate, Zn3PO4 whole 2. Okay, Zn, that is zinc ion, that is the basic radical and acidic radical PO4 3 minus phosphate ion. Okay, next part, CuSO4 copper sulfate, the basic radical Cu2 plus copper ion and the acid radical SO4 2 minus sulfate ion. Okay, the sodium chloride, that is the basic radical sodium ion and acid radical chloride ion. Okay, next word, BaNO3 whole to barium nitrate. Okay, the basic radical Ba2 plus and acid radical NO3 minus nitrate ion. Next word, that is the K4APCN whole 6 potassium ferrocyanide, the basic radical K plus potassium ion and acid radical FeCN whole 6 4 minus, that is ferrocyanide complex ion. Okay, next question, write the chemical name of the following compound. That is now PbNO3 whole 2 lead nitrate, CuCO3 copper carbonate, K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate, CH3COOH acetic acid or IPC name, that is ethanoic acid, CaCl2 calcium chloride, MgSO4 magnesium sulfate, SnCl2 tin chloride, L2SO4 whole 3 aluminum sulfate, ZnCO3 zinc carbonate, CaCO3 calcium carbonate, Zn3PO4 whole 2 zinc phosphate, CuSO4 copper sulfate, NaCl sodium chloride, BaNO3 whole 2 barium nitrate, K4APCN whole 6, that is potassium ferrocyanide. Next question, complete the statement by following the part. Okay, direct combination reaction of the sulfur dioxide with water give H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Formation of hydrogen chloride from hydrogen and chlorine is an example of photochemical reaction. The reaction of hydrogen burning in oxygen to give a neutral liquid in an example of exothermic reaction. Okay, the neutral gas involved then let nitrate undergoes thermal decomposition. In decomposition is oxygen. Okay, so the answer. Okay, next part, some MCQ. Okay, down a groove atomic radius property increases. Down a groove electronegativity property decreases. Okay, next part, if an element gains one or more electron with energy, it can be called a non-metal. Okay, The 10 to electron affinity from left to right across a period, that is, increases. Next, the largest atomic radius in periodic 2, that is Be, beryllium. Next, at the time of Mendeleev, the number of the element known was 63. Which of the following is a transition element? That is nickel. Next, the lightest liquid metal is cesium, Cs. Okay. Next, the element which has the least tendency to lose the electron is helium, He. Which of the following is the correct order of atomic size, that is fluorine less than chlorine less than bromine less than iodine? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay. Next, example of organic acid, that is the related to carbon, citric acid. Example of inorganic acid, that is example of hydrochloric acid. Example of oxo acid, that is the oxygen related acid, nitric acid HNO3. Among the element of period 2, the element which has higher electron affinity is chlorine. The element with the lowest ionization energy among the following is rubidium, Rb. In general, non-metal are more negative, electronegative than metal. Next, most of the part, that is the noble gas, may the unreactive, that is non-reactive part. Okay. Next part, across a period, the ionization potential increases. Okay. The most electronegative element from following the elements, that is chlorine. Next, down the groove, electron affinity decreases. The atom element belonging to the same group of periodic table have the same, that is the number of valence electron. Okay. Next part, that is the property of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. Next part, the element occupying left and right side groups of periodic table are called, that is the representative element, that is the group 1 and group 2 related element, that is a representative element, that is S block element. Okay. If an element has a low ionization energy than it like to be, that is the metallic. Okay. The elements having the least number of electrons cell lithium. Okay. Please show the next part 2. Any query, please comment in box. Thank you, my dear viewers.